There's nothing worse than going out to a cold car except for having to scrape the ice off your windshield or the snow. This is a good option for somebody who doesn't enjoy doing that, or maybe you just want to keep the sun off your car. Exquislife sent this to me last week and asked me to make a little video to show you how to install it and give you some of my thoughts. So here it is. It comes in a nice cover, zippable. We're going to take it out and get it put on a Honda Pilot today. All right, I have it laid on my hood the way that it's going to go. This is the side that's a little stickier, and this is the side that's a little smoother. One thing that you can note is that it's taller on the top, or wider rather, on the top. You can see how this is wider than the bottom. We're just going to pull that up there. Go ahead and slide the mirror thing on, reflective side out. I'm going to go ahead and put this around my door handle and hook it back to itself just to keep it in place till I go to the other side. You can see you got a good wide cover up here, and it goes all the way down over your windshield. I'm going to hook mine through the wheel right here, the spoke, and then hook it back on itself. So we got a nice fit there. I'm not real crazy about this, so I'm actually going to put it on the door handle, the rear door handle. Very simple. We'll go to the other side real quick, do it, and we're done. That's it. You see, it's a nice fit, full cover, no more scraping the frost off the windshield in the morning. If you think this will help you, check out Exquislife and save yourself some trouble in the mornings.